In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add speed curve on your videos in InShot. So as you can see under this video is playing just well, and it gets to a point where they dance very fast and then they maintain the motion. Let me show you how you can just add that speed curve on your videos using InShot video editor. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to menu here, and you see we have various aspects. Scroll until you see this option called speed, and here is the speed. Now if you tap on it, identify the location where you want to add the speed curve. So for my case, I want to add the speed curve here, this location. Now if you don't see this curve, it might be set under standard. This will help you to adjust the speed of the clip by either slowing it up or down, but you want to add a speed curve at a particular section of the video clip. To do so, just tap on this curve here, and then you can see we have now a curve here. So I like to go ahead and add it here. So if you want to add a curve, go ahead and tap on any of this dot and then move it up or down if you want it slower. So I want it faster at that section, so I'll go ahead and move it up to that level and then leave it, and then okay, like that. Now if I go ahead and play the whole clip, you will see it will move faster. The moves will be much faster at that particular section. So that's how you add speed curves on your videos using InShot video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.